In this video, we're going to talk about how to convert the coordinate form of complex numbers to Euler form of complex numbers. So a typical coordinate form of complex number is given as z equals to x plus iy. Okay, and then a typical Euler form is given as z equals r exponential I theta. Most times theta is in rad. Okay, so to convert the coordinate form to Euler form, we need to find the values of r and theta. Okay, most times theta in rad. Okay, so we need to find value of r and theta in rad. So r is often given as the absolute value of z. Okay, so this is equal to x squared plus y squared, and then theta is often given as tan inverse of the imaginary part of z and the real part of z. So this is still equal to tan inverse of y over x. Okay, so let's just take an example. So we have z equal to 1 plus root 3 I root 3 for the imaginary part. Okay, so to convert it to the Euler form, we need to first find r. So our r from this is r equal to the x value is 1 square plus the y value, which is root 3 square, and then r is equal to square root of 1 squared plus root 3 is 3, and then we have r equals to square root 1 plus 3 is 4. So square root of 4 is equal to 2. So now that we've gotten our value of r, for our value of theta, we have theta equal to tan inverse of the imaginary part, which is root 3, divided by the real part, which is 1. So we know that tan inverse root 3 divided by 1 is root 3. So tan inverse of root 3 is equal to 60 degrees. Now we need this value in rads. So to convert this to rad, we know that pi rad equals 180 degrees, and then we know that pi x rad, this x would be equal to 60 degrees. So if we cross multiply these values, we know that x equal to 60 pi divided by 180. So that 60 into itself is 1, 60 into 180 is 3. This would mean that x would be equal to 1 over pi over 3 rad. Okay, so we've gotten our value of x to be equal to pi over 3 rad. Okay, so that's our new theta. So theta is equal to pi over 3 rad. Okay, so next up is to plug the values into this equation, this format. Okay, so the equivalent in Euler form is given as z equals to our value of r is 2, and then exponential I, and then our value of theta pi over 3. Okay, so that's how to convert the values of coordinate form of a complex number to the Euler form of a complex number. So if you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel and leave a like button. Thanks for watching the video.